What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, we're back with the Civic. We're going to be installing my wheels and tires today. So basically, I had to get all these wheels out, well, tires out, loaded up in the Civic, which it's not gonna expose. Oh God, GoPros. I'm filming on the GoPro today, but there we go. I'm going to be filming on this. I'm going to be loading up the tires and wheels in the Civic. And then we're gonna make headway to Randy's job to get them mount and balanced and all that stuff. So yeah, excuse my mess because I was working on the Integra, put a new clutch in it, painted the gearbox, wrinkle black the gearbox. You probably can't even tell, but it was terrible before, but now just hopefully make it look better. So when I ever go to car events and pop it, the bonnet, it looks decent. Now it matches this now matches that. But anywho. Let's go to Randy's. So we pulled up to Randy's. Yeah, buddy. All right, parked up. Show y'all Randy's car real quick. And y'all remember Robert with the Integra? My boy got a new daily. He got a big body aboard sport. My boy got a big body. So yeah, me and Randy got the same setup. 245/40 tires, Graham lights, 57 DRs, 17 by 9 plus 22. Look at that fitment, boy. That boy Randy look good, son. That back lip fitment don't. But that my dog. And Austin. You know, what I'm looking at, bitch. That bitch look good, bro. Probably me in the car. Oh. Where? A little stuff right here. I don't give a fuck. They track wheels. Nah, that shit was on the whole time. Ain't no way. That don't mean nothing. It means something. You think this little ass paper guy about to get it safe from fucking these scratches? My shit was up here. You lost your shit in the back. What do you mean? What was up there? I didn't scratch mine. Well, no, they came like that. It came like scratch. I wouldn't give a damn. You know you won't give a damn. They track wheels, bro. Yeah, you about to go on the track anyway. All this shit gonna be ripped off and black. There's gonna be a groove all the way around from your caliper falling off. Alright, when I put the cone to balance it, it's gonna scuff up here a little bit, like a little scratch. It did on mine. Oh. I was gonna put the ring, but that cup's gonna like kind of leave like a scuff in here too. Yeah, just do it there. That's great. Yeah. Can you take a picture of my car? So I can post it. When you're the photographer friend of the group, gotta take pictures for the homies. Oh, I got good oil pressure. Okay, Randolph with the good old pressure, playboy. I look good. show you the picture I just took of this thing. All right, you can't pick it up on GoPro, but came out fire. So what's up, y'all? It's the next day. Still got the wheels in the car. It's around like 11:30, 12 o'clock. I'm gonna start the process of removing the tint that's in this car so I can go fishbowl. And I know what you're probably thinking. Why, Zosh? Why go fishbowl? Cause I like it. I'm not a fan of tint cars on cars I don't want to be turned into race cars. I'm not a fan of tinted cars unless it's a daily and I'm trying to slide somewhere and be low profile. You hear me? But on a car like this with nice ass interior, kind of, I want people to see it. You know what I mean? See where my damn money's going.
Damn, that car like a stock F85.
No, it ain't. My whole damn YouTube checks be spent on this shit. So, got my Warrior 1500 watt dual temperature heat gun that we're going to be using to remove the tint. I watched a YouTube video and they use the heat gun, so this should work. If it don't, we'll see what happens. Bam! Tint is removed. I just gotta get all the adhesive glue stuff off, as you can see. I gotta get the back off. I don't know if you guys can see on the GoPro. But yeah, I only got it like right here. I gotta get all this film. Well, the film came off, the tint came off. It just leftover adhesive stuff. But it's all off. You can finally see the interior now. Jesus. It still looks tinted, huh? It's crazy. But yeah, now I just have to figure out how I'm gonna get the rear glass tint off without killing the defroster, even though I don't really care about the defroster. I honestly just gotta figure out how the hell I'm gonna get the rear adhesive glue tint removed. I've been watching like 10 YouTube videos. I just gotta go on the road now and go buy the products. So I want to put my wheels on, but I think I'm gonna wait like 2 more days to put them on because I got a busy weekend and I'm not trying to get my wheels stolen the first day I put them on. So I say that because I'm traveling down south this weekend. All right, today's the day. Today is Sunday, Halloween, and it's time to put on the 57DRs. I got the tint all off on the car. The back windshield is tinted free. I actually went ahead and removed that thing because I don't need it no more because I'm going gut life. It's gonna be fully gutted here soon. But yeah, but let's go ahead, start jacking up the front end of the car, get the wheels off, adjust it for height because there's no way that's clearing. This should be fine, maybe with some slight camber, but yeah, I gotta jack that up though for the front. Pause. I have to raise that up and it would be solid. These the rotating taper seat, best lug nuts money can buy. Doesn't scratch your wheel. Muteki SR45R. You're welcome. I'm extremely sad. So these don't fit at all. The plus 22s, 8th gen Civic don't work. I'm going to need plus 38s, so I have to unfortunately sell these. These are now have to be for sale. I can't even use these because it's gonna cost, bro. It's gonna be way. I have to pull this out, I don't want to run like 7 degrees. I can't do it. It's too much. That wasn't the goal with this setup. So I guess I'm gonna have to run some 38s. Well, FD2 front. If I get it when I go FD2 front, it'll give me a plus 20. So that'll be straight. The front, it's just the rear, bro. Like it's just, I'm so sad. I'm so sad. Like, look at the back. Nope, can't do it. Man, I'm sad.